Hi and welcome. My name is Zena and this is Zena Report. Today, come along with me on a pack with me as I pack my 9-year-old son's belongings for a 10-day trip to Costa Rica. Okay, so we are packing my son's stuff. He's gonna wear sneakers and bring along these green Crocs. Next, because we have 8 days of outfit changes, I actually prepared 9 outfits for him. These are all a set of shirt and pants. So I have 7 pairs of short sleeves and shorts. And then we have 1 and 2 long sleeve outfits. Then we have 3 pairs of pajamas, 2 shorts and 1 warm fuzzy one. We have a bathing suit and a swim shirt. He's bringing his headphones, he's bringing his DS and the chargers for everything. We're gonna bring some of his Dramamine and some of his sleeping vitamins. And then we have a toothbrush and toothpaste in a little case, an all-in-one body wash, shampoo, some Minecraft sunglasses, and a little packable towel that I found at Sierra, really small. Next we have pairs of socks and some undies, and we have a rain jacket which is a bit warm, and all of that is going to fit into this Roblox backpack. No carry-on, just one backpack for 10 days of vacation. Let's see if everything fits. Okay, so here's the finished product. I like to use the big Ziploc bags, like the gallon size. So there's 3 outfits in this one, and it's a shirt and a pants kind of rolled up together with each other. And there's 2 in this one because these are a little bit bigger. There's 2 in this bag, the long sleeve one, and that bag, all of the pajamas in its own bag, and then underwear, socks, and bathing suits. So we have 6 bags in total. Let's see if they're gonna fit into this backpack. This is the backpack here, and so far on the very bottom we stacked in the width, side to side, we put 3 of the Ziploc bags, 1, 2, and 3. If you can see it here, there's still a lot of room, and we're gonna layer number 2 on top of that. So as you can see, we got the second layer in. We put the Crocs inside, back a little pocket in here, and pretty much everything fits. There is this rain jacket slash sweater which also fits on the very top of it, but he's actually gonna wear it to the airport because obviously it's winter here. And then we have some of his medicines, vitamins, shampoo, headphones, and sunglasses, and this is all going to be in this front pocket right here. Hey buddy! The bag here is packed, fully packed until the top. Hopefully he will be able to hold it and carry it. Fully stretched out. But a 10-day trip fits into a backpack for a 9-year-old child, and here's the proof. The reason we packed just a backpack is because we packed light. We were traveling on a budget, so we took a lot of public transportation in Costa Rica. Follow along, see my other packing video where I pack myself, and also to see all the fun things a 9-year-old can do in Costa Rica. Please like and subscribe and watch my other videos.